Hi guys, we're down at Eastville Park Lake. We've been here a couple of times before, and today we're going to try the Barbie boat. I've got a 3S LiPo battery in there, and I've shifted the LiPo battery up to the front to try and keep the nose in the water a bit, because I did have it on the back seat, and as soon as we went forward the front lifts up. So we'll see if we can go a little more smoothly. Got the rescue recovery boat just in case. I've also got two transmitters because they're both bound to that one at the moment, but if that one gets stuck and I need to recover it with that one, I might need to rebind to the other transmitter. They're both fly sky. So we'll have a look. Okay, Barbie can look after her hair. In the water. Oh, I haven't checked the rudder. A little bit too far out the water there. I haven't filled in that hole under the bottom. I've also never done a range check on this gear. Whoa, I think we've just overheated the motor. Yeah. Oh. What about overheating it? We got water in there. That's very low at the back. Do I want to even touch that? Oh, that's warm. In the last video, I think I was saying I think that propeller's too big for that motor. Yeah, something's not happy in there. Well, at least we made it back to the side. So, yeah, it works, but we may have a problem. something feels hot under there. ESC doesn't feel terribly hot. Motor feels hot. Hot, hot. Yeah, I think we may have killed that motor. Smells hot. Okay, well, that's Barbie for the day. So, do we want to put the camera in the other one and have a look at the fish again? I'll think about that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.